What's up everyone? It's me again, Mark Paragas, and nandito tayo ngayon sa Suntec City for another vlog. And for today's video guys, we are going to experience the Singapore Dock Tour na dito ang meet-up or venue. Sa haba at sa dami ng vlog natin dito sa Singapore, sasabihin ko pa ba na nakuha ko siya sa Klook tapos ginamit ko yung promo code ko, Mark Paragas Klook. Okay? So ito yung tinatawag na The Original Dock Tours Singapore. Bali ano siya guys, kung familiar kayo sa mga hop-on yung mga big bus dito, this time itong tour natin is by land and by sea. So ibig sabihin, mabiyahe tayo, ikutin natin yung mga famous attractions, yung mga buildings na meron dito sa Singapore, and then half of the tour sa tubig tayo. Mamaya guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nung sasakyan natin, kasi pwede siya sa land, pwede siya sa dagat, or pwede siya sa tubig. So mga pupuntahan natin, lalagay ko na lang dito para may idea kayo. Tapos ang kinuha natin guys is 6 PM and currently it's 5:30 PM na. Sinasuggest kasi nila na mag-check-in tayo like 30 minutes before the tour. Guys, kapag nag-no-show kayo, automatic hindi na refundable yung inyong ticket. Plus, kapag kinancel nyo, hindi siya refundable. And you need to select yung day, kung kailan nyo gusto, plus the time. And you need to, syempre, stick with your time na prefer din yung sumakay ng tour. And a day before guys ng tour, may email kayo marireceive na notification lang kung saan yung venue, kung saan yung meet-up point, at kung ano yung mga guidelines na para at least magkaroon kayo ng ideas and to set your expectation as well. Okay, so magandang weather ngayon, and dito guys sa Singapore kahit 7 PM na maliwanag pa rin. So tara, pasukin natin itong Suntec City, pero sa Tower 2 sila yung meet-up at saka yung kung saan tayo mag-redeem ng ticket natin for the Original Dock Tours Singapore. Pasok tayo, hanapin natin yung Tower 2 para alam nyo guys kung nasa Suntec City na kayo or hindi. Meron ako ipapakita sa inyo na parang famous fountain. Basta meron ditong parang may something na nawawala ko sa words. So ito, pakita ko na nga lang. Ayan siya guys, there, diba? Taray. Ayan, pag nakita nyo na yan, nasa Suntec City na kayo. Tapos makikita nyo mga building, may 4, may number naman 4, 3, 2, 1. So dito tayo sa 1, bumaba right from our accommodation. So ang sabi sa tower number 2, yung kanilang booth for the activity na kinuha natin. Punta tayo doon. Ayun, nakita ko na guys. Pero CR muna tayo. Ayan, the big bus dock. Ayan na siya guys, big bus. O diba? And wala pa namang pila. Let's go guys. Dock tour sold out today, sabi. Hello. Klook. Do you want the Klook code?
It's okay.
Okay.
I can just use this one.
Oh, you're fully booked today.
Yes. This is for one person, am I right?
Oh yeah. So this is like a combo with the big bus tour.
This is just for the gardens ticket for the Flower Dome and also the Cloud Forest.
Ah, okay.
So if you have our tickets, either the duck tours or the bus ticket, you can get a 10% off if you buy over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So later at 5:45 PM, on your left, just straight ahead over there, you'll see a queue sign that says D1. Just join the queue, then this is your seat number.
Alright. Thank you. Ayan. So 3D. Ano? D1. Ito yung D1. So dito tayo mag-queue mamaya guys. And then ang seat number natin is 3D. Pero 5:45 PM pa. Ito naman guys yung mga big bus na double decker. Tapos meron yung night tour guys. Yan dapat yung kukunin ko, pero parang I've decided na kunin na lang yung dock tour kasi 'di ba from land tapos pwede rin sa tubig. para mas marami tayong malibot. And by the way guys, ang Big Bus Singapore niya, paglilibot, meron kayong time na bababa talaga kayo, tapos itutour kayo ng mga guide ninyo going to that specific attraction. Tapos nakikita nyo may bubong. Syempre huwag kayo dyan pumwesto, dapat doon sa unahan kasi wala kayong makikita, lalo na kung dadaan kayo ng Marina Bay Sands. Open dapat, huwag kayo doon sa may bubong. Okay, so wala pa ako nakikita ano guys, yung sasakyan nating Doctor. So nakita nyo naman diba, kapag bumili daw kayo ng ticket dito ng Big Bus, automatic meron kayong 10% discount pag bumili kayo ng Cloud Forest at saka Flower Dome dito sa booth nila. So if ever magta-try kayo ng Big Bus tapos hindi pa kayo nakakapunta sa Gardens by the Bay, pwede kayong bumili na dito para 10% off na rin. O diba, 10% is 10% guys. Pasok muna tayo, may pila, nakita ko na yung D1 na pila, pero wala pa naman kasi sasakyan. May seating arrangement naman guys, so doon muna tayo kasi mainit. Suntec City, parang gusto ko actually ito na yung line, no? Q, D1, mga nakapila na sila guys, pero while waiting, kasi at least gusto ko kapag sakay natin, yung view na lang ang papakita ko and yung mga commentary na English speaker para naman focus tayo sa view. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. Wait. Asa na yun? So by the way guys, once you book a Big Bus Dock Tour, it's a 60-minute dock tours guys. So parang 30 minutes sa land, 30 minutes sa dagat. Tapos with English audio commentary na siya. May mag-discuss sa inyo to give you information about sa mga attractions na dadaanan. And then again, make sure na aware kayo sa mga not included sa mga tours na kinukuha ninyo, yung mga optional and so on. So dito guys, not included yung hotel pick up and drop off ha. Bibigyan nila sa inyo yung address, tapos kayo bahala mag-commute going here. And sobrang convenient guys ng bus kasi mismong dito sa labas ng Suntec City yung drop off ng bus natin, di ba? Tingnan nyo, wala akong pawis. And then walang meals to, walang beverages, mismong tour lang talaga siya. Yung pagsakay nyo, yun yung binayaran nyo, plus walang tips and gratuities. So nasa sa inyo yun kung gusto nyo magbigay ng tip. And yun, kapag nag-purchase kayo sa Klook, yung voucher ninyo mismo papakita nyo lang, and then yun na mismo yun kung anong day and anong time ang pinili ninyo. Okay, so again, 30 minutes before you should be here kasi hindi kayo iintayin, and this is not refundable. And ito, may mga souvenir, may mga duck. Yan. Oh, meron din pala dito, Monday Express, yung sa Singapore Zoo. Ayan oh. Mga mugs, tapos mga ducks. Ang kulit. Ay, mga rubber ducky, keychain. I am not sure kung ilan yung capacity nung sasakyan natin, but here we are. Nagugutom ako. 1 hour to. So anyway, sige, mamaya na lang tayo kakain. Alright, dito na guys. Here we go. Okay, so may mga seating arrangement naman, so hindi natin magiging problema na agawan tayo ng upuan. So para siyang ano, aeroplano. Ayan o. How cute.
Oh, ay selfie ito.
You can flip it, yeah. You can flip it.
Nice video, huh?
Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Philippines.
Gandang hapon.
Gandang hapon. You? How about you?
I'm Singaporean.
Singaporean. You have a lot of Filipino.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Salamat po.
Salamat. That's right. And yung guide medyo ano, friendly. Siyempre kailangan din. And ang maganda sa pwesto natin, wala tayong katabi. Ginit. Buti na lang dala ko yung ano ko, yung fan. Okay, I think we are ready to start. The door is closed.
Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Very good, I like that, I like that. Welcome on board, welcome to Dark Tour. My name is Wahab. Oh, I like it. Oh, yeah, I like it. When I say, ladies and gentlemen, please take your position. Hold here. I'm giving demonstration, not information. Hold. Are you ready? Yeah. One more time. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Castan, we are ready. We are ready. Let's take a plunge. Going 1. Going 2. Going 3. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Wonderful splash. Give a clap. Give a clap to Captain. Applause. Applause. Wow, you're still survived. You're still working. All right. Good.
Could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Happy, happy, see if you can catch me. I'm spinning through the air, laughing wild, just like a child, and knowing we don't care. And when the storm is raging all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the rain. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Just that you were enough. Know that you were made of love. Shine bright, because in time all the good things will be awesome. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. 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 Ooh, look at all the good things. Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the
I just want to land faster, that's all. I just want to give some motivation at the back. In front so you can push. Are you ready? Help me push everybody. I just want to land faster because you are hitting as many inches down there, right? Are you ready? Okay, wait for my signal. Well, you get a jerk to submission. I'm lining. I'm doing it better in the show. 1, 2, 3, push, come on. Push, you're not moving, come on. Push, one more time. Push, keep on pushing. Push, keep on pushing. Push, one more time, yeah. Push, 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 push. All right, give us clap again, then we'll let them do.
I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep.
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye.
Sabi kasi kapag na-enjoy nyo yung tour, then just ring your bell. Actually guys, di ba, very tawag doon, marami kayong mga new learnings about Singapore based dun sa tour. Tapos I got a nice view ng Marina Bay Sands, ng Singapore Flyer, tapos ng Merlion. The fact na hindi tayo nakakapag Merlion guys, nakakatuwa. 6 PM pala guys yung last tour, then close na siya. Okay, so guys, based doon sa mga napakinggan ko, baka hindi nakuhaan ng video, ang population pala ng Singapore is 3.6 billion. And yung Marina Bay Sands mismo guys, di ba 3 tower siya, they're planning to build 1 more tower para maging 4. Tama ba? 3 plus 1. Yes. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan siya itatayo. And merong upcoming event dito guys sa Singapore every September. Kung gusto nyo ma-witness yung F1 race, nakita natin, diba, dinaanan natin, may mga na inaayos na nila yung dadaanan ng mga race. 10 ata, 10 players. Basta guys, yung mga attractions na meron dito sa Singapore, kunwari matatagalan pa para makabalik kayo dito, sulitin nyo lahat ng, at least lahat ng attractions, puntahan ninyo. Say that will be your first, not first and last, but basta make sure sulitin nyo na. Gutom tayo guys, kaya nawawalan ako ng words. Ganun yung effect pag gutom tayo, nawawala ako sa words. Jollibee, bida ang saya. May time pa ba tayo? Wait lang. Ito pala food court guys, nasa ano ba to, basement? And lalayo pa ba tayo? Dito tayo sa Jollibee. French fries lang guys at saka burger ang order natin. Huwag kayong At dahil dyan guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating vlog. And I hope na gustuhan nyo yung ating duck tour dito sa Singapore. And again, you might want to consider getting this tour once you're here in Singapore. So syempre, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. Enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you on my next Singapore travel vlog. Mama chup chup.